Ubons BBQ out of Yazoo, Mississippi.
That's right.
That's it. They're doing a famous Mississippi ribeye out here?
Mississippi ribeye. You know, in Mississippi, we like to take something that is very inexpensive and make it delicious. That's what it is. It's all about survival and the fittest.
Absolutely.
And we can take this bologna and turn it into something special. So that's what I'm going to do for y'all.
Awesome.
Just give you a little taste of Yazoo City, Mississippi.
Thanks, Leslie.
Sure,
Show us exactly what you're going to do.
So I'm going to talk you through this. So we're going to take just a regular bologna, and we do scores all the way across.
That's going to allow the smoke.
Right. Next up, we're going to take dry rub, and we're going to cover the whole entire thing. So something just super simple, and we're going to take it and elevate it. Jacob, will you put this on that smoker for me? I believe that smoker is at 250 degrees. And so we're going to let it roll on that smoker for about 2 to 2.5 hours. This is what it's going to come out looking like. You've got all of the openings. You got all kinds of good dry rub down in there. So my next step, we're going to go on to a hot fire. We've got our Green Mountain Grill topped with grill grates.
Yes, we do.
And this is at about 450. Ooh, listen to it. Sizzle, sizzle. I'm going to glaze this with some of our Ubon sauce. This sauce is our 5th generation barbecue sauce. It was created by my great-grandparents in Southeast Missouri. Yeah, I believe that's ready.
That looks great.
We're going to switch out and slice some of this up.
Thank you, Leslie and Jacob, for coming out. You guys are awesome.
Woo! Giving us some Mississippi style.
Thank you for sharing your family, your Father's Day with us here at the first annual Denver BBQ Festival. Thank you all again. We got samples. We're going to do some more quick cuts really soon, so stay with us. Thank you all.
Thank you, everybody.